LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, by the dynamic, awesome robotics team, DART. What is LEED? LEED is a building rating and certification system. It is both organized and created by the United States Green Building Council. LEED ensures leaders demand more from our buildings. This creates healthy experiences through the conservation of resources and energy.
There are many benefits to using the LEED process to plan and create new buildings. LEED structures reduce our carbon footprint and overall impact on the environment. LEED buildings use resources like water and electricity more efficiently than compared to conventional buildings. This saves energy. Conserving energy means lower operating costs, saving you money. Studies have shown that employees in LEED certified buildings are both healthier and more productive when compared with conventional buildings.
LEED is changing construction. New buildings are being designed and built with the environment in mind. New buildings feature improved planning and include spaces that benefit both the people and the planet. In 2005, only 2% of non-residential buildings built were considered green. In 2015, 48% of the non-residential buildings under construction are considered to be green.
There are a couple drawbacks when using LEED to design new buildings. The first is the LEED process increases the planning and preparation time before construction can commence. Another is a higher upfront building cost associated with integrating new technology and devices making the structures greener. Although there are high costs upfront, LEED buildings recover these costs and save money through energy efficient means during the life of the building.
Charles County Public Schools is incorporating the LEED process and utilizing alternative energy sources throughout its 40-plus buildings. One reason for this is all new construction and major renovations addition projects that use state funds must be designed and built to be LEED certified silver or better. Additional motives include reducing Charles County Public Schools' carbon footprint and saving money. One example of this is the partnerships with Solar City. Solar panels and solar fields will be utilized at each new building site. They are also being placed in existing schools. This will save Charles County Public Schools an estimated $350,000 per year.
This is David Clements. He is a professional architect that works for the Charles County Board of Education. Mr. Clements is a member of the American Institute of Architects and is a LEED accredited professional. He was nice enough to come in and help us with our LEGO Robotics project. He gave us information about LEED, discussed the additions and renovations that will be done to our school, and talked about ways our newly finished school will be more energy efficient. This is an example of a LEED worksheet he uses to ensure buildings are energy efficient. This is one for St. Charles High School, a LEED certified silver school that opened last school year.
This is a satellite view of our current school. The school was built in 1967. It is in desperate need of additions and renovations. Those buildings in the top right corner are trailers that we use as classrooms because we need more space. This is the floor plan of our existing school. It is a small space. We don't even have a gymnasium. This is the proposed floor plan for our school. Look how much bigger it is. We get more classrooms, a new gym, and won't need to have class in trailers. This slide shows all of the new construction in red. The blue area will be torn down and rebuilt. Mr. Clements told us that only 12% of the school will be torn down. 88% of the existing building will be utilized in new construction. Even though it will look like a completely new building, that is another aspect of LEED buildings. They use as much of the existing structure as possible when renovating.
When the additions and renovations are completed, Dr. Mudd Elementary School will be at least a LEED Silver School. We hope that it will achieve a higher status as a LEED Gold School. A few of the green features of our new school will be natural lighting and windows for every classroom, a thermostat in every room, lights equipped with motion sensors and dimming capabilities, a white roof that reflects heat rather than absorbing it, a partial vegetation roof that will also cool the building, rainwater reclamation, faucets with sensors, and solar panels.
We shared our findings with the parents and staff members at a recent PTO meeting. Here's a picture of us with our school principal, Mrs. Hairston, after the meeting. parents were eager to hear about the new school and our LEED research.
These are some of the sources we used in making the presentation.
All 7 team members worked diligently on this project. We hope you enjoyed it.